Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Queen Beliza. This is me Shazia. In today's video, I am going to break the process of makeup into parts. So today I am concentrating only on the step of contouring your face and making your face look chiseled and slimmer, and even your nose for that matter. So if you're interested to know what all steps I take to do this, you can keep on watching my video. So to contour my face, I am going to use Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, which is a darker shade to my skin. As you can see, this is 2 to 3 tones darker than my usual skin tone. So this is going to help me to contour my face. This will bring the shadows in my face back once I have applied the foundation. And then I'm going to use a very close to my skin match concealer to highlight my face. And I'm going to use a slant brush to contour and chisel out my face. So let's begin. I'm going to take the concealer which is darker to my skin first, and I'm going to make a fish face, and I'm going to draw 2 lines here. If you have double chin, you can even contour that part by applying 3 lines over here and also contouring your chin. And the same way you can contour your nose, drawing very close 2 lines to your face on your nose and then joining the 2 lines. This will lift your nose and it will make it look bit slimmer. Now you just need to use. So after you have structured your face and you are happy with the way it is defined, you can take this slant brush and making a fish face, you can blend your contour. I'll do on one side and I'll show you so that immediately you'll be able to see the effect. I'm squishing my brush and I'm going to use the same brush to contour my nose as well. I simply don't want to make this process longer by taking another brush. See, you can immediately see the difference in my face. This is looking so lifted and so contoured and shaped and a bit chiseled as well. This is the reason why we are contouring our face. We want our face to look chiseled. So this is immediately making my face, the appearance of my face is looking way slimmer than this side. So let's go on to this side now. I'm going to pinch my brush. On your chin, you can just blend it into your skin. See, the appearance of double chin immediately goes away. You don't want very harsh contour. Remember to blend your contour very beautifully into your skin. If you see very harsh lines on your face, that means you have not contoured your face beautifully. Blending is the key to contouring. Beautiful contouring. Now I'm going to take that concealer which I showed you. This is my skin tone concealer. I'm going to use this below the contour on the high points of my face, between the contouring lines and on the under eyes. Even you can use on your chin as well. Now these part will get highlighted in your face. You can blend this with a very precise brush. This will make your contour look very neat and tidy. See, you can immediately see your contouring is looking way better than this side. See, it is looking so neat. This is the same step of how you apply your concealer. You can highlight your face in that same way. You may be wondering, I may be not looking that much presentable right now, but trust me, now you can take a damp beauty blender and then you can blend this concealer into your skin, and after that you will see the result of contouring and highlighting your face. This process may look very difficult, but trust me, this is worth it. See, just this part of my face. See, if you see, this side of my face is looking so chiseled out and contoured. So let's do the same thing on this side of my face. I'm blending this concealer into my under eye and my skin very beautifully. I'm dragging this concealer from my under eye to my nose, on the sides of my nose, and pressing it into my skin, as you can see. Blending this concealer also. This is a very neat contouring if you do this step of applying a concealer below your contour. The remaining concealer, I'm blending it around my mouth. You can take your time. You are not in a hurry. You can take your time to blend your concealer beautifully into your skin. Blending is the key to having flawless makeup. Remember this thing. Now I am taking this Wet n Wild palette. I have a banana powder in this and a contour powder. I'm going to use the same beauty blender which is damped. I'm going to use this banana powder shade. I'm going to pick this product in my sponge and I'm going to set my concealer so that it does not budge or crease. And it stays the same whole day long. Wherever I have applied concealer, I'm going to seal the concealer into my skin. This will also help to brighten up my face, as you can see by yourself. See. Now I'm going to use the same contour shade from the same palette, and using that same brush, I'm going to pick this shade in the brush and I'm going to set this contour as well. Just with a light hand, I'm using this. Dusting off the excess and blending it into my skin. Pinching the brush and setting even this contour which was on my nose. Extending it from my brows to the end of my nose. See, my face is looking so chiseled out. And if you feel you have a little bit heavy contour, you can take that same blender and just dab the blender on the entire face. And set your entire face with this. See, the contouring looks so beautiful, as you can see by yourself. I feel this is the best tip you can use to get your makeup very flawless and very professional looking makeup. So guys, you saw how easy it was to contour your face and to get a chiseled face. I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.